and my son did the deed on the couch. For some context, I am 36 and my son is 18. I had my son young and I am a single mother. I feel like a gross person and mother, but I also just feel excited. Romantically excited, but just generally excited. I feel like I just rode a roller coaster or something. Or like I'm high or something. I can't really describe it. I don't have much to add. I've never been into family relationships. I dated a guy before who enjoyed the family fantasy, but it wasn't my thing. I did it just to make him happy. I've never had love thoughts about my son. It quite literally just happened. I'm not sure if I speak for all single mothers, but I just have a really good relationship with my son. I really hope this didn't mess it all up, and that scares me a lot. I've always tried to support his interests and be there for him. Some parents think that you can't be friends with your kid, and I think that is wrong. My son is my friend, but he is also my son. We talk about shows and movies and pop culture like friends. I guess all this started a couple of weeks ago when he just dropped a bomb on me that he finds me attractive. I didn't make a big deal out of it or say he was weird or wrong. I just kind of said aw and that it's sweet and cute. I really wasn't sure what reaction to give other than that, but he kind of looked disappointed. It kind of reminded me of when a boy confesses his feelings and you say oh and they look really sad. I'm not sure if after this his behavior changed or if maybe I just started noticing. I think he was behaving the same, but I just noticed him looking at me. I wear shorts that only go to my middle thigh in the house a lot, and I noticed him looking at my legs. He wasn't staring, but now that I knew he found me attractive I just noticed. And it didn't bother me? I didn't like it, but honestly I didn't care. Random men on the street look at me all the time like I'm a piece of meat. At least my son knows me and cares about me. Nothing crazy happened until earlier. We were in the couch together and I had my legs over his legs. This wasn't a move, this is just how we sit. I'm his mom and we are close. We hug and cuddle. This isn't some new thing and there was no intention behind it. I noticed he was getting a little excited. He then smirked and looked at me. Press share and more for part 2.